missed me from the previous video. Today you will be learning how to do rate of change in 3 different ways.
Using a graph, using a table, and using the
So
formula.
for this graph, we have x and y. X would be placed here and y would be placed there. X represents the number of games, while y represents the number of points scored. And the number of points scored each game went up by 20 each game, and there were 5 games played. And as you can see on the graph, there are x's placed, and these x's simply mean that the number of points scored cannot go into a negative number, and that's why the line goes from 0 and it goes up. And the line is made because for each game there are 20 points scored, and we connect that to this point, and we estimate that 2 games are equal to 40 points per game, and 3 games are equal to 60 points per game, 4 games are equal to 80 points per game, and 5 games are equal to 100 points per game.
So here on our table, x represents number of games, it goes up by 1, and then y represents points per game, and it goes up by 20 per game. So then 20 points per game would be our rate.
The formula for rate of change is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here, I have taken 4 numbers out of my chart, and I've placed them in parentheses. x1 would be 2, y1 would be 40, x2 would be 4, and y2 would be 80. And to use this formula to find rate of change, we would put it into this equation, where y2 is 80 minus y1, which is 40, 80 minus 40, over x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is 2. 80 minus 40 equals 40, and 4 minus 2 equals 2, which would then be simplified to 20 points over 1 game.
Alright, now pause the video to see if you can find out how many points were scored in 7 games. Now if you got 140 for 7 games, you are correct. Thank you for watching the tutorial on rate of change made by my friend and I. Hope you have a great day.